Good afternoon. Today we're in Palmetto, Florida, and we're at the new Tommy's Express Car Wash, which is next to Detwiler's and across the street from Culver's. Here is the grand opening, and this is Wild Pow Cuisine Food Truck. Wild Pow's number is 941-531-0340, and they sell all kinds of food, including burgers, shrimp, and all kinds of food. Here you see Ryan's Coffee House. Sip, drink, and relax. Ryan's Coffee House. This is the Tommy's, and here are the vacuums. And across the street you see Public Storage, and here are all the people at the new Tommy's vacuuming and cleaning the interiors of their vehicles. And here are more customers coming in. And more customers. And here they are giving away free giveaways. And this is WSRZ 107.9. They're giving away all kinds of chips and food items. Here you spin a wheel to win koozies and air fresheners. And this is Meredith Michaels. Hi. Hi, David.
Come join us at Tommy's. Greg says so.
Yeah, I remember you. They were building this place. Yeah.
It's awesome.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
You can run your errands, get your groceries, and get your car washed.
Oh yeah. Detwiler's has awesome fruits and veggies. They have delicious tomatoes, amazing pastries, and all kinds of delicious food at Detwiler's. And not only that, Culver's, which is across from here, they have delicious chili, and they also have burgers and all kinds of items, including delicious shakes with multiple flavors.
So we're like,
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. And this is an iHeartRadio producer. Yeah, Marion. Here you can win koozies and all kinds of air fresheners. So come to Tommy's in Palmetto.
Free car washes all day. And tomorrow, how many people in the morning for the Detwiler gift card? The first 100 people tomorrow morning, $10 Detwiler gift card.
Thank you.
Right here.
Get some good veggies like tomatoes.